So relative scales are scales that share the same amount of sharps and flats in the scale. So if I play the C major scale, it has no sharps or flats in it. And if I play the A natural minor scale, starting on the 5th fret of the low E string, it also has no sharps or flats. So what does that mean? It means that the two scales share the exact same notes, which makes them relative scales. You can find the relative minor scale from any major key by moving down 3 steps. So if I play this note here on the 8th fret of the low E string, which is a C note, and I move down 3 frets, I land on A, which is the relative minor scale of C. You can do that with any other note, move down 3 half steps, and you land on the natural minor relative scale.